Let's take our kick a step further. This is where we left the last time. And now we need some filtering to shape our sound a little bit more. The sample player inside the Max offers 3 insert slots where you can shape the sound individual. All I show here, I could easily achieve 2 with the included EQ patches, but they don't offer any graphical display, so I decided to go better with the FreeVST plugin, which offers a graphical display too, and this is from Cocos, the free rear EQ. But again, it's not about sound quality. I could do the same with the included ones, but this plugin offers a graphical display, and for newcomers it's, I think, easier to follow what I do here. Okay, what I want to shape first is this attack phase of this fat snare sound, which is far too bright. Just using the high shelf and lower the amount. Okay, the next steps shall affect the complete pad, so therefore we use the insert slots on this little mixer. We insert the same EQ again, but this time it will affect all the 3 parts of the kick sound. First thing we have to do is to make a high pass filter to filter out the low end of the bass drum, which will not be heard, but which can affect badly the further dynamic processing. So therefore we choose a frequency about 36 Hz. The next part is a low shelf filter at about 100 Hz, which will raise the boom of the bass drum a little bit more, and this is how it sounds like now. Next we need to raise the high shelf a little bit to make the bass drum a little bit clearer, that it cuts better through the mix. Our ears get used to the sound very fast, so don't forget to double check wet and dry signal. To make the sound a little bit rounder, it's often a good idea to make a little cut at about 200 Hz. Beside that, this technique will bring additional room for a later bass sound. Okay, I stop playback here for a second. I don't want you to hear me dial in this effect, so we turn off the process for a second and bring it back. I want to shape the click sound a little bit further, so we add a new band at about 3000 Hz. And as you can hear, the sound gets more and more defined.